The Grow brush is another voxel brush, and it does not respect brush alphas. So for example, if I were to select this brush alpha, I would not see that reflected on the surface as I brush. It's just a no frills expansion of the surface beneath your cursor. If you hold down the Control key, it will invert the action and press inwardly. Let me undo a few times. It will respect the different draw modes here in the E panel. For example, if I choose the absolute draw mode, it's constant pressure regardless of how hard you press or how lightly you press. So I'm going to lightly press, and I'm going to press hard. Same action. And you'll also notice how the stroke is more pronounced than if I choose one of these other draw modes. You'll also notice that by default, you have to actually move your cursor. You can't just click and hold for it to expand, unless you go to the geometry menu at the very bottom and uncheck stroke expansion. Now I will press and hold. It does not appear at this angle to have extruded a lot, but it actually has, because it's extruding toward the camera. So I'll undo a few times once more. And we will look at it using one of these other brush draw modes that responds to brush pressure differently. You can hold your cursor over each one of these and it will explain exactly what is affected by your stylus pressure. So let's choose this first one. And as I brush, it's more pointed, even though the radius of my brush is actually quite large. So that's a quick look at the Grow brush inside of 3D Coat's Voxel sculpting tools.